Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash. I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So, let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is a chart of Euro USD Forex chart, and right now, Euro USD, the fiber is trading at 1.0731. Though we had a breakout yesterday, but the breakout could not sustain. I won't say it is a pure false breakout, but yes, the breakout could not sustain. Like we saw on the chart of GBP USD. GBP USD trade was good enough. Okay, but here after making a high of 1.0758, market came down. So right now market is standing at the previous resistance, which is the new support for the market right now. And as you can see, the market is not showing any clear signs of an up move yet. And if we look at the chart of DXY broke the critical support of 103.50 and trading at 103.20 right now. So overall, the picture on DXY is not very positive, as we have already discussed in our previous videos that there is no immediate support on the chart of DXY, and overall the fundamental factors are also pointing towards a downside only. You can see these news dollar languages as Fed rate hike fears recede. China reopening boosts optimism. So overall, the fundamental factors are pointing towards a downside on the chart of DXY. Today we have Jerome Powell's speech, so this may bring some volatility to the market. So please be careful during the news. You can go to any economic calendar to check out the information. Now let's head towards the Euro USD again. So as discussed on the chart of GBP USD, the strategy on Euro USD is very much similar. After all, Euro USD and GBP USD have a correlation of 93%, which is not a matter of joke. So more or less, the strategy is also the same. See, right now, market is standing at the previous resistance, which is the new support for the market. There is no doubt. 1.0709, 1.0735. There is a support zone for the market right now. If you see market bouncing, you can go for a buy position. If you're already having a buy position, no need to exit because market is still respecting the support. In case market shows a temporary downside, and if market comes down, okay, if market comes down to a level of 1.0700 or 1.0690, I'm talking about the Fibonacci 23% retracement here. If market comes down to this level, you can expect a bounce. In case this level fails, then you can expect the market to bounce from the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. Okay, Fibonacci should work in this chart, I'm hoping. Okay. So if market bounces from retracement levels, you can go for a buy position. Right now, the market is standing at support, but we do not see, okay, we can't see that the particular buying power right now. If you have buy position, be on the trade, no need to exit. Okay. If you want to wait for a couple of hours, you can wait for some time because yes, right now, market is in support right now. In case the support fails, observe the market on this area. I will not suggest any sell position in the market right now because we do not have any sell sign yet. And most importantly, DXY is also very weak right now. Okay, and apart from retracement, we have also a bullish flag pan bullish flag kind of a pattern also on the chart right now that we cannot deny. Okay, this is a bullish flag, and as per the thumb rule, as long as market is trading inside the flag, this is our no trading zone. So we can avoid also taking any position in the market as long as market is trading inside the flag. What you can do is you can go for a buy position once market breaks the flag and starts moving up. So this is another strategy that you can follow for Euro USD. So these are the two strategies, okay, that you can follow on the chart of Euro dollar. Okay, I'll suggest to follow the both. Okay, draw a bullish flag, draw the Fibonacci, and wait and watch. Okay. If possible, keep your one eye on the chart of DXY and one eye on this chart. Okay. This is it. Hopefully you got my point. And my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care. Please follow proper risk management.